Just like any new businessman that comes in, he wipes shop. So, and within the next 2-3 years, all of Mark Cuban's people will be removed from the organization. That's how it works. It's worked in every business. Like, this is how your team functioned when you had them.
Mm-hmm.
This is my team. I got to see everything that's going on. So all these people are in place still. And then eventually they'll start being removed for his friends and family and the people that trust him and the people that gonna report directly to him.
Yeah.
Right at this moment in time, all these are moles to Mark Cuban. So if you're a Jason Kidd, you really have to consider taking the job, because unless you believe you will be there when your contract is up.